Hi, I'm Will with Baird Foundation Repair. Foundation problems are unfortunately common in South Texas, but understanding the causes can help you protect your home. This year, we're continuing to see extreme weather swings, intense rainfall followed by dry, hot stretches. That moisture imbalance is the #1 cause of foundation issues. When it rains heavily, the soils under your home absorb water, expand, and shift. If your soil is clay heavy, the expansion can be even more dramatic, causing the foundation to lift, crack, or settle unevenly. On the flip side, when conditions suddenly dry out, as we've seen in recent months, the soil contracts, pulling away from your foundation and creating voids that can cause sinking or cracking. It's a constant push and pull that puts your home at risk. Another common issue, poor construction practices. During new home builds, soil is often not properly compacted. That can leave unstable ground beneath your home. Lastly, don't forget about plumbing. Many plumbing lines run directly through or under your foundation. A cracked or leaking pipe can saturate the surrounding soil, creating the perfect conditions for foundation damage. At Baird Foundation Repair, we understand how overwhelming foundation issues can be. That's why we offer a free, no-obligation inspection from our trained system design specialist. We'll identify the cause and provide you with a clear, custom solution to fix it right the first time. Call us today and let Baird Foundation Repair protect your home from the ground up.